in this section we are going to study about the different parts of the alimentary canal. So the first part is mouth. So we are going to study about the first part, that is mouth. Now the mouth is externally guarded by lips, and then we enter the mouth, then we have got teeth. Now there are, as we are talking about human digestive system, so we can see there are 4 types of teeth are there. The front teeth are the incisors, and then we have the sharp pointed teeth for tearing and piercing the flesh are called as canines. Incisors used for biting, cutting and biting, and then we have premolars and molars. Now what they do, they help in chewing and grinding. Grinding the food. Okay, and these incisors are helping cutting and biting. These are front teeth. And canines are sharp pointed teeth, and what they do, they help in tearing the flesh. You can see the carnivores having a sharp pointed teeth on their sides. These are actually canines. They are helping tearing the flesh. So human beings contain all the 4 different types of teeth, and if you see our upper jaw, this is the upper jaw, this is the lower jaw. If we can divide the jaw into 2 parts, the upper jaw is divided into 2 parts. So the canines, the incisors are here, and then we have canines, and then we have premolars, and then we have the molar. This is how the teeth are arranged. So total how many teeth are there? 2 incisors are there, 1 canine, 2 premolars and 3 molars. So total 8 teeth are there. So half of the jaw contain 8 teeth. The full jaw contains 16 teeth, and the lower jaw also contains 16 teeth. So 16 plus 16 equal to 32 teeth. So we have total number of 32 teeth in our mouth. Now what else is present in the mouth? As we enter in the mouth, we have, after the teeth, we have the oral cavity, or it is also called as buccal. It is also called as buccal cavity. So oral cavity or buccal cavity is there, where food is mixed with the saliva. Food is chewed and mixed with the saliva. Okay, then what else we have in the mouth? We have got the, at the floor of the mouth, we have the tongue. Now tongue is a muscular organ which helps in mixing of the food with the saliva, helps in chewing, helps in swallowing, helps in talking also. So these are the different functions of the teeth. You can note it down. And then finally we have saliva. Now saliva is a digestive juice which contain an important digestive enzyme called as salivary amylase. Now find out the other name of salivary amylase. Now it also contains lot of water, it contains salts, it contains ions. So saliva is a mixture of many things, but the most important thing is salivary amylase. Now let us try to discuss what is the function of the salivary amylase. Now salivary amylase is a carbohydrate digesting enzyme. Okay, so what it does, it converts complex sugar like starch into simple sugar. As I have already told you that enzymes, what they do, they convert the complex substances into simpler substances. So complex sugar, that is a starch, is converted into simpler sugar by salivary amylase. So these are the functions of the different parts of the mouth. Okay, so you can note them down, and we are going to study them. We are going to study the next part in the next class.